What's going on, guys? Anders here. Today giving you a small vlog since the past 2 weeks I didn't do any video. Regardless of that, I've been super busy, and today I'm gonna show you a little bit behind the scenes of how I prepare the stuff to shoot the videos. Actually, we are in AeroCool's studio. They've been helping me to borrow their studio because it's very big and very cool to shoot some cool stuff in there. And actually, I want to shout out to AeroCool for helping me out to get these videos possible. But anyways, let's go to the room. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of their cave room. Here we have, what the fuck, man? Are you making a pose to when I come inside of the room? What the fuck, man? Look, this guy is like, what the hell? He is killer. He's the guy who's always helped me to do my videos when I appear like in third person or when I'm vlogging, this kind of stuff. And yes, like I said, this is the cave room from AeroCool. They have a lot of cool stuff here. They have sofas and a huge TV, and then they have like a gaming PC stuff in there. But regardless, here is where the cool stuff starts. This is all the equipment that we will use. We are gonna shoot a video for AVerMedia, this newest Sonic Blaster speakers. We're gonna shoot this video review here. We're gonna use this table probably, or maybe that white table there, like you saw in the past PC build, not PC build, the liquid cooling build that I made in the past video. We have here, what do you have here, man? What you are gonna use today? You can show it to us. Show it, man. Yeah. What are you wearing for?
This is a tripod with the video head, very cheap.
Dude, that tripod looks pretty fancy, more cool than my freaking stuff from here, man. That's cool, man. You can put like all way to the floor, right? If you want, you can open all the legs and make like ground shots and this kind of stuff.
Yeah, hard to use a little.
It's okay, man.
Yeah.
Cool. Nice.
It's very
nice
cheap
stuff.
to use and very cheap.
Cool. Then here is my bag. I just take out the GoPro to shoot this video, so I'm not showing you that. And we have here my newest glosso lights that I love them, because look at that. I can make like some light to the product and move the light with my hand. But the thing that I love more is that I can set up different color lights and looks freaking awesome. Here we have red, looks like a fucking lightsaber, you know. Open and close the light. They have the 3 colors, blue, green. Unfortunately, they don't have solid blue color, because I would love to have some color. And yes, I love these lights. We're gonna be using these lights to light out some part of the products. And yes, actually I got 5 of these ones because they're pretty cool and easy to carry. And also I can charge my batteries in here. It's like a freaking battery, so I have like basically 5 batteries in every single one of these. Alright guys, so continue. I'm gonna be using 5 of these lights, glosso lights, very cool stuff. I can use white light, blue light, green light, anything. Regardless, I'm also doing this keychain from Marshall. It's very cool because you can have like the plug is in your keys, and I saw that video on internet, like the guy just come and to his home, plug his key to the Marshall amp, and it's like tan. This will be for my second channel, Anders Orozco. You can find me already. I will start to do music videos there, hopefully next year. But yes, we will do this unboxing today too. Let's see what more I have. Of course, I have my Zoom microphone because I cannot live without this one. But also, Killer brings this another microphone. He have a Shure. Which model is this one, man?
VP83F.
BP 83F.
Yeah.
Oh, BP380. What the fuck, man? How do you say that? Okay, a short microphone and a zoom microphone, because we are gonna use double camera to shoot all this stuff. Yeah, so these are the microphones that we've been using today. Let me see what we have. I bring my Nintendo Switch because I want to play some games and test the speakers from AVerMedia to see how powerful they are in a big room. Because of course, if I put them in my studio, small studio, will sound very powerful. But we need to test good the things before do the video. So yeah, we have a box with SD cards and my mount for my camera to my microphone. Good. And then this is my new beautiful Benro bag for camera. I'm gonna show you what I have here. Well, I myself we use the Nikon D610 with this Tamron lens. This is a super wide angle. Actually, it's 15 to 30, and it's like huge. I can be very close to the stuff and shoot like if I'm very far and super open. But yeah, this is like the main camera that we will be using. And of course I have a 35mm Tamron lens, which is the one that I use in most of my medium shots, and when I want to blur out the background of the shot, this is the one that I use. I also bring another one of my lights, because sometimes the glossy, if I want white light, the white light have three power stuff, like 1, 2, 3, and turn off. But I bring another lights from Glosso too, if in case I need something more powerful. I will use these ones, which are much more powerful. You can see the intensity of this light, like super powerful. So we can use light. If I want to, for example, turn off all the lights and just light out my face, this is the kind of stuff that I will be using, because just the light will be exactly powerful just for myself, but won't affect the RGB lights from the background or something like that, because I love RGB and I like to have that colorful backgrounds. But no, we're gonna use these ones for myself, and the background light will be the one from the LED strips and that kind of stuff. And then we have the camera from Killer. This is the Nikon This is the Nikon D5200. This is the first camera that I use. Actually, this is the same camera that I use to shoot YouTube videos. He have the, I believe is the first lens that comes with the camera. Is an 18 to 105mm zoom lens, and he also bought his new Sigma 35mm.
Yeah.
Yes, 35mm. We are gonna test it today, so let's see how good can be this lens. Two 35mm. Why this is so big, man?
I don't know. It's very heavy.
Oh, 1.4.
Yeah.
And mine is 1.8. Man, okay, we need to test this stuff. Cool. This is full frame or is DX?
DX.
It's DX. Okay, so we're gonna test this one with his camera. And of course we have my Cusino tripod that after see that one, I just want to get a new one. We have of course my slider to do all that smooth shots. We have my video head, and of course is the big holder. Okay guys, so that's all for this small kind of vlog. I'm gonna do another video just to explain about how I use this light, so stay tuned with the channel to review how I do it, how I move the lights through the product and make it look awesome. My name is Sanders, Killer on the camera.
Yo.
Thank you for watching.